Hi, I'm Valerie. I'm a service technician with Progiressive Air Systems. I'm here today to talk to you about the Ecobee 3 Smart Thermostat. This is a stylish thermostat that you can control from the wall control here, or you can connect it to your phone or device to control it from wherever you're at. On the Ecobee here, it's pretty simple. Go to menu here to turn the heat and the cool, and you're going to go to system and HVAC, and then you'll change between heat and cool there. To set up your comfort settings, that's going to be like your one-touch settings, your home, away, and sleep. You're going to go here to comfort settings. You'll set up home. You'll put your heat and your cool, what you like it to, so that way when you select that from your thermostat, it'll go right to that setting. Most of the time, you have a pretty standard that you like it on, and that way it makes that a little bit easier for you. And then after you set those, you can go to your schedule, and you can set for each day of the week what times you want that temperature to be in your home. And then it's also got a smart home feature. So for example, you have your away setting to be at 78 when you're not home, and then you have it drop down to 76 when you get home. It will turn your thermostat on early so that it's 76 before you get home, so that way you're comfortable when you get there. One of the other features on this thermostat is going to be your vacation mode. All right, now if you have a vacation planned and you don't want it to use too much energy while you're gone, but you want to keep it semi-comfortable in the house, you're going to go into vacation. You're going to hit to add a vacation. You'll put your start time, you'll put when you're going to be back, and then you'll go into your settings and you'll put, for your cool, say you don't want it to go any higher than, 82. And you don't want it to be any colder than 60, it'll keep your home in between those temperatures while you're away. And then when you're coming home, it'll drop it back down to your home temperature when you're coming home, okay? And then after that, we've got, let's see, your reminders. So this thermostat's gonna remind you to change your filter. It's gonna remind you to have your maintenance done. If you have UV lights or anything like that, it'll help you remember when those are time to be changed so that you don't miss anything. And then you're gonna go into your settings for if you for example, you have your programming set, but you're home and you're just a little warm. You wanna turn the temperature down a little bit. You can go to your thermostat and go ahead and change that. It's gonna pop up and tell you it's gonna stay there until the next scheduled time. If you wanna keep it there and you wanna use your thermostat manually, you're gonna go into preferences, go into your hold action, and you're gonna change that until you change. That way it'll stay there until you physically go in and change it again. Or you can put decide at time of change, and that way it'll ask you when that time's up, what do you wanna do? Okay, let's get out of settings. And then it's gonna have your weather is gonna be on here. You can pull up your weather report. It's one of the features on this thermostat. And then this is your quick changes. You've got your home for now or your away for now. That way you can change that quickly in between those settings. And then that is going to be it on this thermostat. This is a very stylish thermostat. It's good for any home. If you are interested in this thermostat and you want an estimate, or you want us to come out and put one in for you, you can give us a call anytime at 727-847-3898.